In this video, I'm gonna show you how to perform knurling on different surfaces. Okay, so for that, first you have to uh, draw a cylindrical surface. I design this now. Okay, go to appearances. Now in appearances, go to miscellaneous 3D textures. Yeah, there are different kinds of textures here. Look, like this, like that, like this. Go to edit appearances, uh, mapping. This helps us to rotate the pattern when it is good. Now go here. From this option you can increase or decrease the size of the patterns. Okay, uh, okay, we're done here. Now go to search box and 3D texture. Okay, when you select that this null option, then you will see these options. Yeah, this refinement option suggests helps us to increase the number of meshes. What this 3D texture option does is it divides the segment into small pieces. Now the offset distance helps us to increase height or decrease height of the um, structure according to the pattern we've selected. Let's select these two. Now, yeah, maximum element size. Look, the more you increase it, the more the fine you get the pattern, but the number of faces will increase. Look, the number of faces are now 8 lakh, above 8 lakh. So, yeah, I think this will be fine for me. Let's decrease a bit, because the more the number of faces, more uh, you know more processing power it will need. Now, okay, now look, this will look like this. Now go to here, you can visualize this properly by this. So okay, we are done. By okay, yes, now convert mesh to body. Okay, we're done. By this feature you can perform knurling so easily. Okay, now it's time to perform same feature on the planar surface. Okay, similarly, design rectangle. Then okay, now go to appearances, miscellaneous 3D textures. Let's select this this one. Face. If you select body, the whole body will be selected for appearances. Okay, now I'll go to mapping. I'll decrease the size. I'll go to, yeah, I'll decrease the size of. Okay, this will be fine. Now, okay, you can go to 3D texture from insert features and 3D texture. Look from there. You can go from there as well. Now select the body. Okay, go select this one. Now increase a bit. This will refine the surfaces. Okay, offset. No, this. Okay, this will be too much. Let's decrease offset 3. You can put the element size whatever you want, but it will be, more you increase it, more heavy the file will become. Look, I've got some nice knurling. This is not perfect, or this is not how we actually design, but this is a fun feature to work on. Now convert to mesh body. This converts these all into one single body. Now look,